Megan O'Neill, beauty editor at Goop, beauty editor and writer, Manhattan, New York City. Raw vegetable juice that I juice in my juicer, and it's a combination of kale, carrots, lemon, celery, and sometimes an apple. And it is kind of disgusting, but I do it to help my skin purely. It was working at Goop and just informing myself about how there are literal hormone disrupting chemicals in much of conventional skincare. I would say hand cream right now. And I love the one from Unsun, which has SPF in it too, because your hands get real gnarly. Honestly, I was like, I hope I'm a good enough person to raise another person. The most challenging thing is knowing that I'm going to give birth to a Black son who will become a Black man one day. And there is just so much fear and hatred and violence around Black men in America. Figuring out how to navigate that with him and talk to him about it, we'll figure it out. But it definitely takes up a lot of my thoughts. For him to not be judged by the color of his skin. Don't let compliments dictate how you feel. The shower. I'm Megan O'Neill, and this is Coming Clean.